Hello everyone, look at this bottom garland I made and used to take a tutorial video yesterday. And today, I found the condition of this garland still good. So, I'm taking this video just want to show you my other idea to use this garland to make a backdrop. Okay, now let's go. First of all, we need to set up the backdrop. This is the first layer of our backdrop, and we need to make another layer. And since our stand is a single tube on the top, so we have to make another tube. I will use this short tube and connect to each other to make a long tube. Okay, the next step we need to put on our fabric. Look, this is our DIY backdrop fabric with the pocket so that we can put it on the tube. If you are interested to know how to make the fabric like this, click here for the old tutorial. I don't repeat on this video. Okay, then let's tie it to the stand with the string. I will show you the effect after complete. Okay, look, this is the effect after I put on this tube on the stand with the string. Okay, now let's put on the bottom garland. Okay, look at our bottom garland. If there is someone how to hold the garland, it will be much more easy to tie it on the stand. But if you are the only one person to hang on the garland, use this hook will be better. First of all, let's measure the garland. The length of garland we need to put on the top of the stand. Look. From here to here, this part. So, let's use the hook to hold on the chain. Look. And use another hook also to make the length you want. Okay, then use the hook, look, to hold on the stand. Okay? So that we can tie the other end on the hand will be much more easier. Okay, finally, I tied the bottom garland to the stand with a string because I think it will be much more firmly. And raise up the stand. Let's check the effect. Look at the garland. I made it yesterday. The bottom link a little, but the condition still okay. If you want to watch the step-by-step tutorial about how to DIY the bottom garland, and if you're interested to check the condition of the bottom garland I made yesterday, click here for the old tutorial. I don't repeat on this video. And also, look at this. There are some bottom. I will adhere the bottom to the garland to make it much more full. Okay, look, I also tie the fabric to the side of the stand and tie with 2 ballroom. Let's check the effect. Look. Here some small ballroom to make it full. Also, on display, I will put the marquee number in front of the backdrop. Okay, look, this is our DIY marquee number. Let's light up. Okay, if you are interested to watch the step-by-step tutorial about how to DIY this marquee number, click here for the old tutorial. I don't repeat on this video. Okay, now let's check the whole effect. Okay, let's check it from the top and from the bottom. For your information, if the marquee number not large enough, you can make the larger size. We have the template for the number and letter in different sizes, from 40 cm to 1 meter. Maybe larger will be okay. If you are interested, you can inbox me via Facebook page. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye.